Hello friends, we are right now standing in Babe Shigar. You can see that today is 2nd October 2024. That's the road, you can see that. That's the view of the road. That's the अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप? ये ठीक है आप? सब खैरियत? ये क्या बंद क्यों हो गया ये यहाँ पर? बाइक होती थी, इशू चल रहा है किसके साथ? हम तो स्पेशल आए थे यार, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम भी आए थे, देर हो गई थी तो हम ड्राइव नहीं कर पाए बाइक पे। तो बाइक सब कुछ बंद है, सब कुछ पैराग्लाइडिंग है साइड पे, पैराग्लाइडिंग ठीक है। हाँ हीरो ठीक है। Look at that, the view of the road. That's the Babe Shigar. See that. Like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel also. In this place there are many cars for racing, but right now it's forbidden for unbeatable reason. I don't know why. This road goes to I guess it's a Kilo museum. Our bike is coming right now. See that? Pakistan's OHE elevation funds. Goodbye sugar. Hello friends, today is 2nd September 2024. That's a beautiful view of Sugar Valley in front of me, and suddenly we stopping by to preparing our lunch. That's one of my best friend Imran.
Hello.
In charge. And also a chef. That's our US friend. That's beautiful and amazing mountains. Long leaf, I guess pine tree. Oh, that's so long. Very long tree. Settle down my Going to take some adventure. Some of my kids are watching on the rocks. अभी ऐसी लाइफ कहीं मिलेगी कहीं बेफिक्री की लाइफ। ये टिकटॉक में एक बड़ी ज़बरदस्त वीडियो बनेगी। बेफिक्री की लाइफ में बैठे हुए हैं और व्यू कर रहे हैं माउंटेन्स का। वो डेजर्ट है, that's a sugar desert in front of me. You can see that today is second October 2024. Like, subscribe and share my channel and leave the comments. Right now we are stopping by to preparing our lunch. You can see that the beautiful view which is surrounded by long giant dry brown mountains. पाइन देगी ना दरख्त सारे।
अंजीर दा इस पे फोकस करें।
ये छोटे वाला
अंजीर का
that's the plant of the anjeer. You can see that it is very beneficial for the health. I will try my best to zoom some views of that plant. टिकटॉक पे वैसे पाकिस्तान में बैन जो हम कम्युनिकेशन बैन कर रही है वो बाइक के अकाउंट से लगा के
अभी ले लो किसी के पास से किसी ने ज़्यादा है
Let's explore the Shiger Valley. Rough track. I guess it's on the way of the village. In front of me, you can see that the beautiful river surrounded by a lone giant mountains which called Shiger. That's a desert. That's a desert and many adventurous cars and bikes are riding in this desert. But unfortunately the services is unavailable. Or I don't know what the reason are. चले की आसी?
होटल है
हैं?
होटल लेकर
होटल से?
वो उनका होटल है
बंदर वाला?
आउट टू पाकिस्तान
अच्छा।
एक ही
हाँ। इधर ही डोल उधर ही जाना।